I mean, you know, you're younger than me, I was about to say you're older than me. You're younger than me, you're older than me, you're taller than me, you're smaller than me. Comparisons, eh? Eh? Okay, hey, what do you think? You're taller than me, you're younger than me, you're more patient than me, you can run a triathlon, I can't even run 100 meters. I mean, you're doing so much better than I was at your age. Oh my God, why am I not you, Ollie? Comparisons, eh? Why do we always get ourselves in a muddle when we compare ourselves to other people? This is the Make Happen method. Today's video is going to be short, not because I'm retiring, because I'm worried about not being as good as Ollie. No, rather because comparison is pointless. You have to stop it. Your massive problem with comparison is you spend all your time looking to seek out the ways in which other people are better than you. And remember, everybody else is doing exactly the same. Whilst you're looking at someone else comparing certain faculties about yourself that are not as good as the other person, they're looking at you comparing faculties in them that are not as good as you. This goes on and on and on. As I said, we have to stop it. We are always comparing up the scale. Now, I'm not suggesting you now look at other people and figure out in what ways you're better than them. No. Well, I mean, the truth is you're doing so much better in certain ways, whether they're important or not, than so many other people. You're richer, you're freer, you're more educated than most of the people in the world. However, your focus is not on those. Your focus is on the people that are doing better than you. So what are we to do if we're not comparing ourselves to other people? We can just remember we are okay as we are.
What if everything was just fine as it was? What if the secret to success was being happy the way you are right now? If you think a change in circumstances is what's going to have you feeling happier, you may find that you will always feel that despite ever-improving circumstances, as there will always be something else to want. A better commission, a bigger audience, more material success, more, no matter what level you've reached. So Make Happen invites you to celebrate more often where things are actually at. You've got it good in so many ways, but you're just not looking. You are okay as you are. I am okay as I am.
So if you must compare yourself to something, compare yourself to where you've come from and notice what you have achieved. In the meantime, think forward to what you want and start taking the action that will take you there, one step at a time. So stop subscribing and start comparing. So stop comparing and start subscribing. And think forward to the your massive problem with comparison is you spend your massive problem with comparison. Cool, done, brilliant. All right, cut.